So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on privacy and security. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on general. It's going to be saying, let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. You're going to turn this off. Now once you turn that off, we're going to click on privacy and security again on the top. Now you're going to click on speech. Make sure that you have this also turned off. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. You want to find sysmain. We're going to scroll down until we find sysmain. Here it is. Double click on this. And then once you're on this, you want to change the startup type to disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on adjust the best performance, which will now unselect everything. Now once everything has been unselected, you now want to click on custom. Now you want to tick show thumbnails instead of icons right here. You want to tick this one. And you want to tick smooth edges of screen fonts. So untick everything and then tick both of these and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once this comes up, we're going to type in chkdsk space /f space /r. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, we're just going to restart our computer, but keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. You want to let all the seconds load in. You now want to run this checking. And now once you complete the scan, it will take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.